Hello friends and potential friends. Oh, just an update on the beans. I got beans all over the place. That one I'm not sure which kind that is. This one I believe is Great Northern. I think both of these are Great Northern. Got some colors. Got some colors on some of these. This one I believe is red beans. And we got a couple of little beans, well, a couple of not so little beans on that one. Then we have the black beans over here. And there's a little bean there, another blossom. More blossoms on that one. And this one I don't recall what this one is, probably Pinto. And it also has a couple of beans growing on it. And then over here, the main reason I'm doing this update right now is that I think I'm going to be picking beans. Look at all them things. They are all through here. Every plant's got 4 or 5 or 6 or more. They're growing up the fence. All up under here. All of them. They're just all over the place. I need to get some of these picked off of here so they'll produce some more. Get out of here, mosquito. Got beans all through here. Every plant. Sun's getting a little bit bright right here, sorry. Check this guy out. Beans. More beans. More beans. That's a 4-foot fence. And I got beans 3 feet 8 inches off the ground. Beans are happy. That's an update on them. Well, folks, first picking on some beans. As you can see, I got quite a few. That's not bad out of a 16-foot row of beans. Filled up my colander. My main plan is to try to save as many of these and dry them out to plant next year. So that way I got at least 1 year of growing in this climate ahead of me. We'll see how this works out. And after a couple of hours of shucking beans, here's my haul for my first Great Northern bean picking this morning. That right there is a lot more beans than what I planted originally. Probably at least a factor of 10. I think I only planted about 25 beans. And there's a lot more than 25 there. But I think I'm going to be able to call this particular experiment a success. I got beans. Next year I'll have a lot more.